those are the footing. The new one they just put here. They have to put the soil up here first so they can do the footing at the bottom, as plot 4 has so many soil and the rocks. Ow! Teddy is gone with the guests. Will we go with them? Two layer of the footing. Plot 4, this one. Walk through the staircase. Foyer. Now we are stuck. Mina! To the master area. Foyer column. Why do we need it that much? This looks so small. That. So I guess they put a concrete here on the column. And the foyer. We are so close to the retaining wall there. Can I go up? From the master bedroom in plot 1 perspective, it does not feel like we are so high up anymore. You can see there swimming pool wall is in progress with the support. The floor in plot 4. Done. Footing. They pour one more layer of the concrete for. Walk to plot 2. Check the swimming pool. Okay. Plot 2. They already poured the floor for the swimming pool. Now with all the water pipes in. Plateau, scaffolding of after work. You can see plot 4. See, they all wrap the plastic. Also, they take it off. Walking up to this landscaping. It's not that bad, right? To walk up to your spa area. See, with the rock. Is our site inspector. Oh. Cái này